Hey guys, I'm gonna be Props, and today I'm gonna be making Jaro Tapal's lightsaber from Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. The first thing I did was I designed the lightsaber. I actually designed this so that you could print out the double version. You just need to print out two pieces of the hilt and the emitter section, and then you can just glue them together. I printed this out on my Ender 3. I can't remember the exact settings, but I think I'll have those linked in my Thingiverse page. Then went through and put on some wood glue over the whole thing, and since it's a resin based glue, it will help reinforce the print as well as fill in the print lines. After that, I went through and lightly sanded it and then painted it with my airbrush silver. You could spray paint it just to give it a nicer sheen, but I chose not to. And then I went through and black washed it after giving it a clear coat just to protect the silver paint. And I did a really heavy black wash over it just to give it a nice worn look, because obviously it is since it's battle damaged. And then I went through and assembled all the parts together using some CA glue and some accelerant, and I think this turned out pretty good. It's a lot better than the first lightsaber that I made, of this lightsaber anyways, and I'm really pleased with how all of the details on this turned out. I actually have this saber and a few others on my Etsy shop if you guys want to check those out. If you don't see them on there, just message me and I could totally print one out and design it for you. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys don't mind liking and subscribing, please do. Let me know if you guys have any builds or anything you want me to make, and I'll make them. See ya.